In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notification settings in Steam. Start by opening Steam. Once you are on the main window, look to the very top left corner and click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. And then, in the left-hand panel, select Notifications. This is your central hub for all the alerts Steam can show. Let's begin with friend notifications here. You can decide what happens when friends come online, join a game, or send you a direct message. For each of these, you'll see options to show a toast or play a sound. A toast is that small pop-up that slides in near the edge of your screen. If you want a visual heads-up without audio, leave only Show Toast on. If you prefer a subtle nudge while you are away from your computer, enable Play a Sound. You can mix and match based on what you find most useful. For example, you might keep sounds for direct messages, but turn them off for friends coming online. Next, look at General Notifications. These cover things like gifts, trade offers, and friend invites. If you trade often or you are expecting a gift, keep these on so you don't miss a time-sensitive item. If you'd rather check manually, you can disable the alerts and keep your session quieter. The key is to match the volume of notifications to how you actually use Steam. Now, adjust pop-up behavior. This setting controls when toasts appear. Anytime when I am not in a game or never. Anytime means you'll see pop-ups on the desktop and in-game. When I am not in a game is a great middle ground. It keeps your focus during gameplay but still notifies you while browsing or chatting. Never turns off visual toasts entirely, which can be useful if you only want sounds or prefer to check notifications later. Finally, for individual friend alerts, open the Friends and Chat window and click the gear icon. Here you can fine-tune notifications for specific friends. If there are people you always want to hear from, keep their alerts on. If someone is especially active and it gets noisy, mute their pop-ups or sounds without affecting everyone else. Steam saves these changes immediately, so you can close the window when you are done. Revisit these settings anytime your needs change. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.